Here we have a 2018 18 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK SMC Armoured Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb unscratched, unmarked Mamba 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black and also silver. Now they are all wrapped in all-terrain off-road tyres. We do have the Raptor style front grille with the bonnet bar on the front. We also have the bash bar just down there as well. Now on this vehicle we do have the SMC armoured styling kit, so we do have the wide arch kit. It really does make this car stand out from the rest. We have the SMC armoured decals on the bonnet and on both front doors. We have the roof bars as well as the blacked out styling with the privacy glass on the rear, and we also have the side steps on either side. Now we do have your rear parking sensor with your rear reversing camera. We also have the sliding pickup cover there as well. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. If we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior. Now as you can see we do have the half fabric and half leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points, pull down armrest just there as well with 2 nice size cup holders. You also have your 12 volts and also your 230 volts just in the centre. Electric windows just there as well. Go to the front, there's a look at the driver's seat. That is electrically adjustable, half leather and half fabric, and also WILDTRAK just stitched in it there. Both front seats are also heated. You also have the electric windows on the door there as well. Climbing in, you have your auto lights just down here. You also have your power folding mirrors, foot on the brake, and to turn the key. Then the vehicle will then start. Multi-function steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. Now as you can see this vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 36,650 miles. Going to the screen just in the centre, which you can see the home screen, you have your audio connectivity. So you do have your AM, FM, DAB, CD and also Bluetooth audio. You have your climate control, which is dual zone. You can control it from there, and also you can control it from just down here as well. Bluetooth phone connectivity. You also have your navigation just there as well. Mobile apps. You also have your settings, so you have all those settings just there with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have your ambient lighting, so just change the colours from there. I like the ice blue. In reverse, you can see rear parking sensors and also your front parking sensors with visual display just up there with your rear reversing camera. Pop back into driving, back into navigation. Again, dual zone climate control, 2 heated front seats which work exactly like the expectancy. You can also change that from up there. Heated front windscreen, so for those frosted over mornings when your windscreen is frosted over, click that on and within minutes your windscreen will then be defrosted. 2 12 volt connectivities, USB ports for storage, parking sensors on and off, traction control on and off, rear diff lock and also downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive height, 4-wheel drive height and also 4-wheel drive low, 2 nice size cup holders, storage just in there with soft silver armrest. And there's a look at the passengers, half leather and half fabric front seat with your WILDTRAK just stitched in. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contact nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes a fresh service, new MOT and we do offer competitively finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger WILDTRAK SMC edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not satisfied with steering to keep it a straight line. It's going straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now on this model we do have the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Now the adaptive cruise control, when it's set, keeps you a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. So say the vehicle in front of you is doing 40, you set your cruise control to 45 miles an hour. Not only will the vehicle keep you a safe distance behind, which you can also change on the steering wheel, but it will keep you at 40 miles an hour like the vehicle in front of you is doing. Then if it starts to speed up to 50 and you've set it to 45, you'll go to 45 and so on and so forth. We're changing up and down on the cruise control. Now you do have the plus and minus button to go up and down. Now on this vehicle you do have the safety feature of the lane keeping assist. Now it will keep you in the lane if you start to veer off on the motorway or on the road. You also have another safety feature. So in front of me we do have a little black strip with a little clear bit of plastic in the middle. Now that flashes red if you get too close to the vehicle in front of you. Now that's just the vehicle telling you to drop back a little bit which is a very nice safety feature to have. Now we do have the half leather, half fabric seats throughout this vehicle. Now 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, really does make all the difference. Now for those cold winter mornings where your windscreen is all frosted over with ice or whatnot, press the heated windscreen button just down there, and within minutes it will then be cleared. All the ice will be melted, put the wipers on, wipes all the water clear off, and then you can get on to driving. Now if you're doing long distance driving, you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. It is a very, very comfortable ride. It absorbs a lot of the impact on the road, such as potholes, speed bumps. It does absorb it very, very well. Now, if you test drive this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs. And if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now, I'm calling it industrial state, where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse, just to show you that the brakes are working exactly how you expect them to. And you'll see pop up and the centre screen, the rear reversing camera. So just waiting for traffic to pass, and I'll be able to pull in. And I'll do a countdown from 3. So 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just in the centre. Now, being a Ford Ranger is a very capable off-road vehicle, so you do have your 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. Now, you also do have your downhill ascent assist, you have your rear diff lock, which is a button just down here. You can also turn the traction control off it as well. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and more on videos, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.